1957 Chevy 3100. This is the first ever built from the ground up. Chris Stafford in the Stafford Garage. LS3 with a
44 convertible. This ain't the only awesome hot rod this guy's got in his garage. Built as a hot rod in 2008, recently turned into a tail draggy.
66 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's got a Pontiac 350. He's 26 years old. How about it for him, folks? Holly Sniper EFI. And this ultra in 1971 Chevy C10. First thing I noticed, the short bed, the big back window, it slams. '56 Chevy, pick 'em up. This is the step side. Oh, I love me some big back windows. Home built, and he's owned it for 28 years.
Bel Air, got a 6.0 LS, Art Morrison chassis, shop split window wheels, interior by Nobody's Custom.
1962 Ford F100 unibody, 37,000 miles. It's got a 5.0 Ford Racing Coyote, shot wheels.
This is Tracy Chapman. This is her car. She picked the body, she picked all the colors, Anti Texas 49 Cadillac convertible.
Radically chopped 34.5 window, lots of louvers, big block Chevy with a 4-speed, drop axle, 4 bars up front. With a 56 Chevy Bel Air 2-door hardtop. It's got a 33 stroker with a $700 trans. All Bel Air body, 3-piece custom wheels. Custom smoothie wheels, extreme interiors from Denton, Texas, and the PPG white paint. Connor's choice pick. Congratulations.
'66 Ford Mustang, all work done by him in the garage from paint to engine build. It's got a 331 stroker, nitrous and super tech, applied racing back.